Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning everyone around the world with love. Ayan. Ngayon ay araw ng August 13, birthday ng asawa ko. Siyempre, maganda kong asawa. Ayan, nasa likuran siya, kasama namin. Birthday niya ngayon, siyempre. At graduation din ng aking pangalawang dalaga, no? Pangalawang dalaga, ayan. Anak kong si Cleo, graduate ngayon ng nursing. Saan ka graduate, Cleng? Sa Antipolo, Inares, no? So, nandito kami ngayon sa Cavite at binabaybay namin ang mapunong kalsadang ito. Ayan, at antabayanan nyo guys mamaya ang karagdagang video sa gaganaping graduation ng aking nursing. Yehey! Ayan siya, yun. Ganda ng ngiti. Ayan na.
Today, I am a program director at Community Talents, Garden Related at LTD, and a part-time instructor in one of the faculties in Canada, handling professionals. Now, I also feel more confident in doing research, and part of that I hope is the learning.
Assistant University Registrar, Dr. Nercy Manulet Marami. The Registrar of the Quezon City Campus, Mr. Max C. Magaza. Levels 1 and 2 coordinator of the
By virtue of the authority given to me by the Academic Council and the Board of Trustees of Our Lady of Fatima University, I hereby confer upon you the colors symbolic of the degree and programs you have been merited, together with all the rights and privileges, as well as obligations thereto appertaining. May you always bear them with the dignity and compassion that your profession and your alma mater can be proud of. Graduates, you may now move your tassel from right to left. Congratulations, graduates.
Thank you very much, Dr. Nogueta and Dr.
Our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Velasco. Our esteemed guests, members of the administration, our campus administrators, program heads, faculty members, parents, students, good afternoon. God is good, ang sagot, sobra. At pag sinabi all the time, syempre, can you try that again? God is good? All the time? You keep that in mind. God is good, sobra. Like what you are receiving today is more than what all of us have expected.
And can you please shake each other's hands and say, congratulations! Okay. And after saying congratulations, please reply, mabuhay ka! Okay, and the last statement would be, look at the person at your right and say, you look good today. And the answer of that person, I'm not sure if you look good too. Okay, so you may take your seat. And at this faculty of the different talent, the College of Nursing of the different campuses, please
invite once again our University President, Dr. Caroline Maria Enriquez, together with the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Althea D. Nogueta, to lead in the presentation of the awards. May we also invite the Dean of the College of Nursing, Dr. Maria Luisa T. Huayan, to join.
Happy birthday!
Dr. Huayan, Level 1 and 2 Coordinator of the
Ayun na, tumayo na sila.
Daniel Reis, the Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Rodika Dishan, Tarhata Jean Dinalama, Catherine Aging, Samantha Payne Dimaa,
makilala, puro nakaitim.
Diesel di Manila.
Ayun siya. Maliit.
2, 4,
Tabi niya
5.
ito lang. Ayun.
Fuel wasted check.
Ayun siya. Bababa pa lang.
Samantha Jane di Manila.
Ayun o.
Diesel di Manila. Mary Ann di Mabilis. Michael Christopher D. Bennett Fer Biggie Bay. Joy Foresta. Aina Ponal. Angel Francisco. Leo Maligo Rosque. Ani Grace Salvador. Joanna Gregorio. Rachel Jean Grospe. Genevieve Duarte. Alan Christian Guevara. Diane Jane Guevara. David Jose Amor Guevara.
To the proud parents who are the graduates of Our Lady of Fatima University class of 2025.
Video mo na lang yan.
Thank you so much, Ms. Elaine Laguzan Pascual, our University Registrar. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now witness the induction of the graduates to the Fatima Alumni Association, to be led by Ms. Aura Ida Aline Eriza, alumna of the Bachelor of Science in Nursing, class of 2007. Will you request the graduates to stand?
Graduates, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. A member of the Our Lady of Fatima University Alumni Association. Class of 2025.
Yan po, ano yan?
Do solemnly swear as my bounden duty to abide by the Constitution and bylaws of the Association, its precepts and objectives, promote and uphold the good name of my alma mater, and practice my profession to the best of my ability, and accepted ethical standards. So help me. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Ms. Lorena Teresa, graduate.
Ayan guys, at kinuha namin yung bulaklak, bulaklak na para sa aming graduate na ng nursing, no? Ng aking anak na graduate ng nursing. At ito yung bulaklak, nakabalot pa ng kumot, at yun isa pang bulaklak para sa mama niya na nagdiriwang ng karawan din ngayon, ano? Ayan. Leo. Ray. Congrats, Kleng.
Okay. Kasi kapatid mo. Di ba kakalok ka ng picture ka? Di ba nga, mas nagmamadali ka. Hindi kasi nga, sa kapala ko matutumba na ako na. Ay, yung kapatid mo kanina pa nanangawin ko. Idaliin mo na. Napakimportante, alam mo kung nasaan kami. Ayun, naghihintay yung kapatid mo ayun sa gilid. Nangangawit na sa'yo. Leia!
Ayan. Ayan, oh. Kay mama mo, happy birthday kay mami. And happy birthday, mami. Kleng, congratulations. Ayan, ang anak kong nursing nag-graduate dito sa Inares, ano. At ang kanyang mami na birthday niya today. Ayan. Ang sarap, ang ganda ng regalo para kay mami, ano, yung graduate niyang anak. Yung graduate at yung nagse-celebrate ng birthday magkasama.
Wala pa tayong tanghalian. The picture saan? Ewan ko sa kanya.
Happy birthday!
Punta ko na sa kotse na.
Congratulations! Hey.
Nantay na kami sa kotse. Kaso na wala na tayong gas.
Mali. Sa kabila pala. Dito.
Look, ano nangyari sa screen? What happened to screen? Ano yan? Stripes na yan ah.
Saan ba tayo? Wow. Amin. Ganda ng Antipolo Antipolo. Wow, nice place.
Ang ganda dyan. Wait, singer muna. Oy, mga singer, hali na kayo dito sa gilid. Kasama ko kayo singer? Oo! Ikaw nga yung taga-hawak. Happy birthday! Ay, wala pa? Isa pa daw. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Hindi ba pwedeng live lang, live. Happy birthday!
Kala na. Hello. Wait.
Happy
Birthday to you.
Hey!
Happy birthday to you.
Hey!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay!
Happy birthday! Mga pamangkin! Asawa ko congratulations to you! Na para yung makita mo yung nakatayo siya. Hindi mo na isasarado? Ikaw na, bahala ka na dyan.